Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore how Microsoft 365 Copilot is revolutionizing productivity with AI. On this first slide, you'll see the main title, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Revolutionizing Productivity with AI. And just below, the subtitle highlights how it's enhancing workflows, collaboration, and security across Microsoft 365 applications. Over the course of this presentation, we'll dive into how this innovative technology is transforming the way we work, making our tasks easier, more efficient, and more secure. So let's get started. So what exactly is Microsoft 365 Copilot? Well, it's an AI-powered assistant that's built to boost your productivity. It helps by automating those routine tasks we all face daily, saving us time and effort. It can generate content across the Microsoft 365 apps we use every day, making our work smoother and more efficient. It's like having a smart helper that assists you with creating documents, analyzing data, managing emails, and collaborating more effectively. What's really exciting is how seamlessly it integrates into familiar tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. This means you don't have to learn new systems. It's right there within the apps you already use, but now powered by advanced AI capabilities. Overall, Microsoft 365 Copilot is about transforming the way we work, making tasks easier, and helping us focus on what really matters. Let's take a closer look at some key takeaways about Copilot. As you can see, Microsoft 365 Copilot is really revolutionizing productivity through AI. Microsoft is not standing still. They're actively enhancing Copilot by adding new features, expanding integrations, and bolstering security to better meet the evolving needs of users like us. Of course, with these advancements come challenges. These include ensuring our data remains safe, managing privacy concerns, and providing effective training so users can get the most out of the tool. Microsoft is also expanding Copilot's presence across multiple Microsoft 365 apps, which means it can support a variety of work scenarios, making it even more versatile. And perhaps one of the most exciting aspects is how Copilot acts as a smart task helper. It helps streamline workflows, reducing manual effort and making our work more efficient. All these points highlight how Copilot is shaping the future of work, making it smarter, safer, and more integrated. Let's talk about the first idea behind Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot is really about revolutionizing productivity with AI. The core concept is that Copilot helps users focus on higher-value activities by providing AI-driven insights and automating routine tasks. This means you can spend less time on repetitive work and more time on what truly matters. The goal was to make digital work faster and easier, and that's achieved through contextual assistance. Copilot understands the context of your work and offers relevant help, reducing the need to switch between different tools or search for information. Microsoft envisioned Copilot as a smart productivity partner, one that doesn't just react, but anticipates your needs. It's like having a teammate who understands what you're working on and helps you get there more efficiently. This idea ties directly into our overall theme of leveraging AI to empower users and transform how we work. Let's take a closer look at some of the early features of Copilot in Microsoft 365. First, it helps generate meeting notes and makes collaboration much easier. Imagine having a tool that automatically captures key points during meetings and helps team members stay on the same page. Next, with Teams integration, Copilot streamlines communication and teamwork, making collaboration seamless and more productive. In Outlook, it summarizes emails and manages your inbox efficiently, saving you time and helping you focus on what really matters. When it comes to PowerPoint, Copilot can create presentations and custom visuals using AI tools like DALL-E, making it easier to craft engaging and visually appealing slides. In Excel, it assists with data analysis and automates formulas, so you can analyze data faster and more accurately. And in Word, It provides writing assistance and content generation, helping you craft documents more efficiently. All these features connect to a common theme, empowering users to work smarter, faster, and more creatively across all the core Microsoft 365 applications. Let's take a closer look at some of the major milestones in Copilot's journey. First, we saw the introduction of Microsoft 365 Copilot, which truly revolutionized productivity by integrating AI directly into the tools we use every day. This was a game changer, helping users automate tasks and generate insights more efficiently. Next, we recognized the importance of catering to small business needs. That led to the development of a tailored version specifically designed for small businesses, making AI-powered support more accessible and relevant for their unique workflows. We also focused on serving advanced users by introducing Copilot Pro, offering more sophisticated features for those who need deeper capabilities and customization. Another key milestone was the full integration of Copilot across Windows, iOS, and Android platforms. This universality ensures that users can access AI assistance seamlessly, no matter what device they're using. Finally, we saw the launch of Bing Chatbot, which served as a precursor to conversational AI, bringing more natural, human-like interactions into the digital experience. All of these milestones highlight how Copilot continues to evolve, shaping the future of productivity and AI integration across our digital lives. Now, let's talk about how Microsoft 365 Copilot is expanding its application scope to make our work even more efficient. First, SharePoint and OneDrive now offer enhanced file management capabilities along with AI-driven content discovery. This means finding and organizing your files is faster and smarter than ever before. Moving on, Whiteboard has been integrated to support creative brainstorming activities. So, whether you're planning a project or sketching out ideas, Whiteboard helps bring your team's creativity to life. Next, we have Clipchamp, which is supported within Copilot for video editing assistance. This makes creating and editing videos simpler, saving you time and effort in producing visual content. Loop is another exciting addition. It enables dynamic content collaboration directly within Microsoft 365 Copilot, so teams can work together seamlessly on shared information in real time. OneNote is now included as well, providing note-taking assistance across the platform. This integration helps keep your notes organized and accessible, enhancing your productivity. Finally, all these updates reflect that Microsoft 365 Copilot is no longer limited to just the core apps. It now supports a broader range of tools, empowering us to work smarter across various workflows and tasks. Overall, these enhancements demonstrate how Microsoft is expanding Copilot's capabilities to better support our diverse needs and improve our everyday productivity. Now, let's take a look at how benefits and adoption are really coming to life across different companies. Here, you see Clifford Chance, a leading law firm, using Microsoft 365 Copilot to improve how they draft and review legal documents. This isn't just about making things faster. It's about significantly enhancing accuracy and efficiency, which translates into real productivity gains. These examples show that Copilot's capabilities aren't limited to one industry. They're being adopted across various sectors with measurable results. For instance, Vodafone is leveraging AI-driven email management to improve their customer service workflows, making interactions smoother and more responsive. And the Bank of Queensland is using Copilot to accelerate report generation and gain deeper data insights, enabling faster decision-making and better financial analysis. So, what we're seeing here is a clear pattern. Companies are embracing AI to transform their processes, boost productivity, and deliver better services. This aligns perfectly with the overall theme of how AI is revolutionizing workplace efficiency across industries. Let's take a closer look at the core capabilities of Copilot today. First, in Microsoft 365 Copilot, we're truly revolutionizing productivity with AI. It supports meeting facilitation and note generation right within Teams, making meetings more efficient and ensuring that key points are captured automatically. When it comes to meeting facilitation, Copilot helps manage the flow of meetings, providing real-time assistance and summarizing discussions so everyone stays on the same page. In Outlook, it offers intelligent email summarization and scheduling, which means it can quickly digest long email threads and suggest optimal meeting times, saving us time and reducing email overload. In Excel, Copilot enables advanced data analysis, pattern recognition, and automation. It helps us uncover insights faster, handle complex data more easily, and free up time for strategic thinking. And in Word and PowerPoint, Copilot combines large language models with Microsoft Graph integration to deliver context-aware content creation and editing. This means it can generate relevant text, suggest improvements, and customize content based on the specific context, making our documents and presentations more impactful. All these capabilities are designed to empower us to work smarter, more efficiently, and more creatively, aligning perfectly with the broader theme of transforming productivity through AI. Now, let's dive into how Copilot is transforming data analysis and automation in Excel. First, it automates formulas and calculations, which means less time spent on manual work and fewer errors. This allows us to focus more on interpreting the data rather than just crunching numbers. Next, Copilot can generate visual summaries like charts and reports, making complex data easier to understand at a glance. This is especially useful when presenting insights or sharing findings with others. It also helps identify trends and patterns automatically, so we don't have to sift through endless data points ourselves. This capability can reveal important insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. And finally, Copilot simplifies the process of preparing and cleaning data sets. It automates many of those tedious tasks, ensuring the data is ready for analysis quickly and accurately. All of these features highlight how AI-powered tools like Copilot are making us more efficient and effective in managing data, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of boosting productivity through intelligent solutions. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the data security and privacy challenges we face with Microsoft 365 Copilot. One of the main concerns is ensuring compliance with both our organizational policies and regulatory privacy standards when we're using AI assistants. It's crucial that we manage this carefully to protect sensitive information. Another important point is the vulnerability to prompt injection attacks. These are tactics where malicious actors could manipulate the AI's prompts to expose private data or cause unintended actions. It's a reminder that even advanced AI tools need robust safeguards. Managing access rights to sensitive information is also vital. We need to make sure that only authorized users can view or manipulate certain data, which helps prevent accidental leaks or misuse. Speaking of leaks, there's always a risk of data leakage through the AI's outputs. If not properly controlled, private or confidential data could be unintentionally shared through the system's responses. All of these points highlight the importance of maintaining a careful balance, leveraging AI to boost productivity while safeguarding our data and privacy at every step. Let's take a closer look at how Microsoft ensures your data stays protected when using Microsoft 365 Copilot. First, Microsoft strictly follows privacy frameworks like GDPR and HIPAA. This means they're committed to responsible AI use and safeguarding user information according to these rigorous standards. Next, security is a top priority. Microsoft uses strong encryption protocols for data both at rest and in transit. So whether your data is stored or being transferred, it's encrypted and protected against unauthorized access. Additionally, Microsoft makes sure they comply with local regulations by implementing regional data boundaries. This helps ensure that data stays within the designated geographic areas, respecting local laws and privacy requirements. Finally, to further protect identities, Microsoft applies data anonymization techniques. This way, even if data is analyzed or shared, individual identities are safeguarded, adding an extra layer of privacy. All these measures come together to build a secure, compliant environment that supports responsible AI deployment within Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges we face with user training and adoption when it comes to Microsoft 365 Copilot. To truly unlock its potential, we need to focus on encouraging organizational adoption through tailored training programs. These programs should be designed specifically for your team's needs to ensure everyone feels confident and safe using the tool. Another key point is providing clear guidance on data privacy and security best practices. Since Copilot works with sensitive information, it's essential that users understand how to handle data responsibly to protect your organization. Additionally, setting realistic expectations is crucial. We want users to understand what Copilot can do, and just as importantly, what it can't do to prevent over-reliance or misuse that could lead to errors or misunderstandings. And of course, educating users about AI capabilities and limitations helps manage their expectations and promotes more responsible use. When everyone understands how Copilot works and where it fits in their workflow, adoption becomes smoother and more effective. All these elements are vital to ensuring that the deployment of Copilot truly enhances productivity while maintaining safety and trust across your organization. Let's talk about some of the technical challenges we face with integrating Microsoft 365 Copilot and how we're addressing them to ensure a smooth user experience. One of the key areas is managing scalability and performance. As more users adopt the system, we need to make sure it can handle the increased load without slowing down or compromising quality. This involves optimizing infrastructure and making sure the AI responds quickly and reliably. Another critical aspect is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the AI-generated outputs. Users depend on Copilot for important tasks, so it must deliver precise and trustworthy information every time. This requires continuous improvement and rigorous testing. Finally, we can't overlook the challenge of integrating with legacy systems. Many organizations still rely on older workflows and software, and connecting AI features seamlessly to these existing systems is essential. It's about creating a cohesive experience where AI enhances productivity without disrupting established processes. All of these technical complexities are central to our overall goal, making AI-powered productivity tools accessible, reliable, and easy to use across diverse environments. Now, looking ahead to the future roadmap for Microsoft 365 Copilot, our focus remains on building trust, ensuring security, and empowering users with AI. We want to make sure that as AI becomes more integrated into our workflows, it's not only smarter but also safer for everyone. We're planning to expand compatibility so that Copilot works seamlessly across even more Microsoft applications, as well as third-party tools. This broader integration means it can assist more areas of your work, making your experience more cohesive and efficient. In addition, we're introducing deeper insights and automation capabilities. These enhancements will help you get more value out of your data and automate routine tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters, your creative and strategic work. Finally, we're committed to delivering enhanced personalization. This means tailoring AI assistance to each individual's unique work style, providing a more intuitive and personalized user experience. All these elements, trust, security, compatibility, insights, automation, and personalization, are central to our vision of making Copilot a truly indispensable productivity partner. Now, let's talk about why Microsoft 365 Copilot truly matters. Essentially, it acts as a foundational AI tool that is shaping the future of work not just within Microsoft 365, but beyond that as well. As AI continues to evolve, its impact is only going to grow, becoming an essential part of our daily digital tasks. This shift is all about enabling us to work faster and more efficiently across various industries and roles. It's about transforming the way we collaborate and get things done. And at the core, what's really exciting is how Copilot is redefining our interaction with software. Instead of just clicking through menus, we're now engaging with AI-driven assistants that makes everything more intuitive and responsive. Ultimately, this represents a transformational shift in productivity. It's not just incremental improvements, it's a fundamental change in how we work, connect, and innovate. This is the future of work, and Copilot is at the forefront of making that future a reality.